Hiya! My name's Marie and you're watching Marie's Stuff. So, how are you doing today? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like, open another box. This is the Elves box by Sophie and Toffee. Oh, crikey. Now, I have to be honest, this arrived 2 weeks ago. And so did quite a few others, so it's taken me a while to get through them. Here we go. Ooh, I love the way Sophie and Toffee, why have I started calling it Toffee, wrap these up. Although I quite like to save this, and it's oh wow. Yeah, the November Elves box. A little bit delayed. I had some problems with their moulds, but better late than never, I say. Okay, let's have a look at that in a second. Okay, what have we got? Nail Aurora glass paper. I have no idea what that is or what you're supposed to do with it, but could be fun to put in the okay, looks like a bit of and sorry, I gotta undo this. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Sophie and Toffee, I don't know which company this is with, that you've gone with, but I hate to tell you, this is a bit of Christmas blooming trimming that they've just cut chunks off. Oh well. Very pretty one. It's a very pretty one for sure, but I bet the box blooming cost more than that did, but never mind. Probably an added extra that they've put in. Just to make up the last few pennies. Oh, you've got some pretty delicate leaves. Oh, I like those. Those are very pretty. Don't know if you can see them very well in there, but yeah. There we go. Oh, and a thank you for waiting gift. What's this? Let's have a look. Oh, some magenta alcohol ink. Yay! That's very nice of them. Oh, we've got a syringe. Okay. Oh, I remember what that's for now. What else we got? I like looking these little ones. Oh, we've got... Oh, sorry, it's going to have to come out, isn't it? Just hope I don't drop it because I'll never find it. It looks to me like a dinky winky cat. Like a dinky cat. A teeny weeny one. I'll put him back in there because otherwise I'll lose him. Right, what else we got? We've got some Miranda Black. Let's go because I'm nearly out of that. Oh, we've got some iridescent pigment. Oh, is it supposed to be like that? I don't know. Looks cool. Okay. Then we've got bits come off it. A tree. I suppose it's all just things you could possibly put in. We've got some gorgeous glitter. What else? It's just like Aladdin's cave in here. We've got it's the UV resin I like for use with silicone molds, and it's 25 grams. That's not bad. UV resin. And then we've got a 3:1 resin, which is 90 grams, and that's 30, no, 10 grams. Is that 10 grams? 30 grams? I don't know. 30 grams, I think. Yeah, 30 grams, that makes sense. And there we go. And then, is there anything else hiding away in here? Nope. So we've got the moulds. We've got the massive D20 moulds, and this is what was causing all the trouble. It comes in 3 different parts. Yeah. Let's take a look at that actually. Sorry about the crinkling. Here we go. Well, oh, it's coming off. I was going to say whether those are imperfections actually in it, or let's see. Okay. Oh, this one's stuck together a little bit. Let's get it apart. There we go. That sometimes happens when they're travelling and going from hot areas to cold areas to put them in, you know, well in transport. Let's have a look. No, that's definitely something that's got in the mould there. It's on the outside, it's fine. It's not making any sort of trouble with the moulds themselves. There's a few. I think these have been, possibly because they've been waiting for the rest of them to come. Some of these have been in storage for quite some time. So, but there we go, which means you can do it in 3 different pours and then join them all together. So yeah, worth the wait. I don't know, we'll see. I'll hold judgment until I use them. And then here we go. This is the teeny weeny moulds for the teeny weeny dice sets. There we go. Awesome. So let's have a look at the booklet. Okay. D2, D20 chunky dice silicone mould, and it tells you all about that. Mini dice silicone mould, and tells you all about that, and then all the different stuff that comes with it, and all the different stuff that comes with it. Ah, right, okay. So the instructions are there at the beginning, I believe. Is there instructions? It tells you how much resin. Okay. So 60 grams for that one, and this is UV, so that's fine. You don't have to measure it out. Okay. Excuse me, my blooming hay fever's already started this year. Okay, so the make hollow chunky D20 with these all inclusion. These as inclusions. Cut them up into small pieces if needed. Yeah, like I say. Sorry, you can't see it. On that one. Right, so who? August Box Challenge winners. At April Beauty 27. I think they've won before. At Ice Cream Parlour. Clever. At Oh Hi Desi. And at Nat We do art. Oh, they're all gorgeous, aren't they? Yep, love them. Okay. Yeah, cool. Well, that's everything in the box. So just set up for a nice picture so you can see everything that we get. I'll say that was a nice thank you. Which you didn't have to do, you know. But it all helps, doesn't it? We've got the UV res in there. We've got the little cat up there. We've got some sparklies there. We've got the tree. And we've got, it's a very exciting but an essential piece of kit, I'm sure. We've got some more colours here. And yeah, I think I'll hide that behind there. And there we go. Can't wait to have a go with this. We'll see what it looks like. Thanks for watching. If you like it, like and subscribe. If you don't, well, let me know what's going wrong in the comments. Okay. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.